If you're managing a cross-functional team and things are starting to feel chaotic, this short guide is exactly what you need. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through how to manage cross-functional teams without the chaos. No fluff, just the key systems and tools that actually work. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a framework you can literally start using today, and I'll even give you access to a free trial of the exact software I've tested across multiple team setups. Let's start with clarity. The number one reason cross-functional teams get chaotic is misalignment. People from different departments bring different priorities, workflows, and communication styles. Your job isn't to micromanage, it's to align. So first, set a single shared goal, not department goals. One clear, cross-functional mission that everyone's marching toward. Make it measurable, make it visible, and tie every task back to it. Next, roles and responsibilities. You don't want overlap, and you definitely don't want finger pointing. Create a simple ownership chart. Not a full org chart, just a breakdown of who owns what for this project. Keep it public and refer back to it during weekly check-ins. This is crucial for accountability, especially in cross-functional teams where people might default back to their departmental habits. Speaking of check-ins, make them structured and short. Weekly is ideal. We're talking 15 minutes max. One update per person. What's done? What's blocked? What's next? You're not running a status meeting. You're removing roadblocks. And use the same format every time so people know exactly what to expect. Now here's where the chaos really gets cleaned up. Task management. If you're still managing your projects in spreadsheets or jumping between email threads, that's your problem. We've tested the top tools: Asana, Monday, ClickUp, Trello, Notion, and the software we'll be using today is hands down the best for managing cross-functional teams. It's flexible, fast, and doesn't overload your team with complexity. You'll find an exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along. It's only available to viewers of this channel. Inside the software, set up one masterboard or dashboard that covers all functions. Use categories for departments or work streams and assign tasks with deadlines and dependencies. Add custom fields for priority, blockers, or anything relevant to your team's workflow. Make it visual, Gantt view or Kanban. And don't forget automation. Automate task assignments, status updates, and notifications so you're not chasing people around for updates. Communication is the final piece. Emails too slow, Slack's too scattered. You need a single thread of truth for each task or deliverable. Use the comment section inside the software for discussions tied to tasks. That way, no more context switching and no more lost messages. For bigger decisions, use weekly or bi-weekly strategy calls. But make sure notes and action items go straight into the system, so everything stays in one place. Here's the key takeaway. Managing cross-functional teams without chaos comes down to clarity, ownership, rhythm, and the right tool. Most chaos isn't because people aren't working, it's because they're working in silos. Your job is to bridge those silos. Quick recap. Set a single shared goal. Define roles and ownership clearly. Keep check-ins short and structured. Use one project management system that centralizes everything. Automate wherever possible. Keep all communication tied to tasks. If you want to try the software, I recommend. Grab the free trial in the description. It's exclusive to this channel and a game changer for simplifying team management. That's it. Clean, clear, and chaos-free. See you in the next one.